This is a summary of the food studies topic, diet and healthy eating. This is from ORCA Education's e-learning library. The short video will summarize key content of this course topic. Food is essential for our health as it provides the necessary nutrients our body needs to function properly. Proteins, carbohydrates, fats, vitamins, and minerals are the 5 essential nutrients needed for growth, energy, and good health. Vitamins and minerals are crucial for supporting body processes and maintaining healthy skin, bones, teeth, blood, and nervous system. The Eat Well guide visually represents the types and amounts of food needed for a balanced diet, with grains and fruits, vegetables as the largest groups. The Eat Well guide advises drinking enough water, choosing foods lower in fat, salt, and sugars, and consuming a variety of fruits, vegetables, and whole grains. The Eat Well guide can also be represented as a pyramid, with the foundation being the largest group of foods needed for a balanced diet. Poor diet choices can lead to health issues such as obesity, heart disease, high cholesterol, dental problems, high blood pressure, and bowel disorders. Government guidelines like Eat Well and Live Well help individuals plan meals and determine portion sizes for a balanced diet. The government aims to improve the nation's health by focusing on improving the national diet, reducing heart disease, stroke, cancer, and obesity. Government guidelines, such as the 5 a Day campaign and the Balance of Good Health, emphasize the importance of eating fruits, vegetables, and a variety of foods. The old Ministry of Agriculture's 8 guidelines to a healthy diet highlight the importance of enjoying food, variety, healthy weight, starch, fiber, and nutrient content. Current NHS guidelines emphasize basing meals on starchy foods, consuming plenty of fruits and vegetables, reducing saturated fat, sugar, and salt intake, and staying hydrated. The idea of a balanced diet is a common one. The balance of our diet depends on age, sex, health, occupation, and activity levels.